Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the accurate answers with Perplexity. And it's going to be very to the point video. So let's stick to the seats to get to know about it. So the link to the Perplexity is in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. So once you open up the Perplexity, you guys can either log in with your official account or just go with the free tier account. Once you have this dashboard open up, you just have to search about it. Perplexity is best for the deep researches, but it's logged until you open up with the Pro subscription. Now let's talk about how to get the right answers. So be specific about any topic that you want to get the answers regarding to. So if you're gonna just ask like, what are notebook LM? So it's a very vague question. But if you answer like and how can I integrate with the Google Gemini? Uh, so this is a very specific question. How can I integrate with the Google Gemini Notebook LM? But if you type in how I can can I integrate Notebook along with Google Gemini, it's more specific than the previous version. So thus it will give you the best possible answer to it. So this is how you guys can get the accurate answers from the Perplexity. And what you have to do is to be specific. You should know what you want to know. And don't ask like, let me know, tell me, how can I do it? Or what are the best ways? Be specific, be critique about it, and get the best solution out of it. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.